Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video here. So I have a 2013 Nissan Juke here in the shop, and I have to do a drive belt tensioner. Sorry, I'm just going to get my light. And I went on YouTube, just to see how they're doing it. The repair manual says take the mount out and all this stuff. And what I was noticing is they were drilling holes. They were coming down here and drilling holes in the frame. Like drilling through here to get the bolt out. And I'm like, there's two things I don't like to do. I don't like hitting cars with hammers, like to get ball joints out and stuff like that. And I'm definitely not drilling a hole in a car unless it's some kind of recall or some purpose, right? So as you can see here, I got the Torx in there, got the tensioner out loose. All I did was pull the mount. You see all the room here for where the mount sits? I just hooked a toe strap or a ratchet strap behind the AC compressor. I just hooked it on my lift because it's a long ratchet. You can go here to the tow hook if you have to or whatever. And then I just pulled the engine over to get room to go into here. That's all I had to do. So if you have a 2013 Nissan Juke or whatever year generation this is, you know what I mean, like year, I don't know what the years are. Is it 10 to 14 or whatever? That's all you have to do. You don't have to drill holes in your car unless you don't have a strap. Well, but if you don't have a strap, you probably don't have a drill or a hole saw or whatever. So just do that. It's a T50 Torx. The special service tool is a flat one you can buy for $30 on Amazon. If you don't have that, just get a regular T50 from one of your local parts stores, Tractor Supply, something like that, and get it done. Thank you all for visiting the channel, and best of luck on your automotive journeys.